Hi crafty friends, I'm ScrappingSylvia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company called Got to Dot. Here's a picture. Got to Dot. It's called Heart Butterflies, and it's 50 by 50 centimeters. This is the first time I've ordered from them before, but this will be actually my first time opening and working on a diamond painting from Got to Dot. Okay, and so let's take a look at it. Here's the box. Okay, it has beautiful diamonds coming down. Then it says DIY diamond painting. The package, it tells you what's included. It has the painting canvas, stone diamond tray, the pen, and they call it the painting mud, which I believe is the wax. And it's all rhinestones, crystals, colorful, full rhinestones. This will be my first time. Look how pretty this is, guys. It's got butterflies and flowers. And then in the back, it tells you the instructions. Okay? So, let's open this baby. And let's put that aside. Okay. So the standard tray, guys, the standard toolkit. Yeah, it's been one of those days, guys. Okay, so it comes with your tray, standard tray, a diamond pen, and this is a little scrunchie, so you put it in here. It helps with so it doesn't hurt your fingers when you work on it, you know, make it softer. Okay, and it comes with two placers, I believe a 3 and a 6. I have no idea because I usually use the single. This is the blue wax within a little container. Okay, I love these. I love those little containers. Let's put that aside. This goes aside. Okay, these are the drills. We're going to look at those. All right. Let's open the baby up. Oh, but first of all, let's see. How does the canvas feel? It feels okay. It's all right. It's soft. It's got the ridges. I don't know what they call these. I guess the ridges, which is nice. And here it is, guys. Look how beautiful. It's a beautiful big heart, which is perfect for the two events that I'm going to be participating. One is hashtag Palentine 2022, and the other one is hashtag Luvisintheair. Yes. And I will put all the ladies, the beautiful ladies, I'll link them. Okay, so this is, like I said before, Got to Dot, www.gottodot.com. Here it tells you, they call it the schematic. I call it a legend. It tells you it has 26 colors, the code, which is the symbols, and the DMC numbers. Okay. And then it has it on one side, it has it on the upper right hand, and it also has it on the left, but on the lower side. And in the bottom, which I love, it says made with dots of love, which is perfect for like February, guys. It's Valentine's. Love, 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 love all around. Love. Okay, and so let's look at the picture. Okay, look how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful heart. And then on this side of the heart, half of the heart, it's like stained glass. That's what it looks like. And then on the other side, it looks like the heart is like breaking apart, and it's all beautiful butterflies. So you've got blue butterflies, yellow butterflies, and pink butterflies, and they're spreading. It looks like they're spreading all the love around. I love it, guys. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how sticky it is. It's actually not that big, which I like it. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's perfect. Okay. Let's see how sticky this baby is. Oh yeah, nice and sticky, guys. Perfect. Let's look at, see, I don't know, bring it up so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually very clear. It's not blurry. I don't know if you can see that. The symbols. Okay. And so that's it, guys. So this is going to be perfect for my, I can't wait because like I said before, this is actually going to be my first time. But I think what I'm going to do, since it's all crystals, I probably going to change the butterflies and maybe explore with sparklers on the butterflies. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Maybe. I think that'll look nice. We'll see. We'll see. All right, let's turn this around and let's look at very quickly the drills or the rhinestones. Okay, they come individually packed, which is nice, and they come numbered. So that's the DMC number. Okay, so you've got reds, yellows. This is like a pink, like a blue-green, which is nice. I'm not going to show you all the colors, but it's got blue, orange, gold. Mamma mia, it's got lots of colors, guys. Orange, blues, more blues, greens. I think it's got all the colors in the rainbow, of the rainbow. Okay, got 2 big packs of these, 820s. And then 2 packs of 939, but I don't know, but that's, it's black. Okay, there you go. All the beautiful colors. So let's put that aside. Turn this around again. Okay. And if you haven't gotten anything yet for if you're going to participate in the event, or if you just want to do something for Valentine, like I mentioned before, or I don't know if I did, but it's quick. I mean, the company, I believe, is in California. You order it a day and it arrives like in 2 or 3 days, or maybe 4 days. But that's pretty quick. So that's it. So I'm going to have lots of fun, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.